Hey guys, today I'll be unboxing the Ratio 6 stainless steel coffee maker. It also comes in matte black. Got instructions. Let's see. And some more tips.
Tips and tricks.
Board. It looks like the filter where you put the coffee in there, some lids. You got the pot lid and then the coffee pot carafe. Yeah, got some coffee filters, a cloth, some nice stuff. You fill water in the tank here with cool water, and then you put the thermal carafe here and place a number 4 coffee filter where the filter goes, and then you'll add the coffee, and yeah, pretty easy process. Looks like it goes like this. The power buttons, bloom, brew, ready. Excited to use it. We'll get it hooked up and use it in a little bit, and excited to see what it looks like, how it turns out. And we'll show you the process here in a little bit. Thank you.
Speak in polite company. She's a dancer, no riddle in the answer. She auditions.